I didn't know that I could hurt like this. Never thought you'd be the one to burn me down. You promised forever, now forever seems like nothing more than a promised nightmare. 'Cause I told you some personal shit. I knew that you would understand, you would understand, you would understand what it's like to feel like dying. I know I should let go, but I can't let go. No, I can't let go. I know it's all my fault. Forget it all, to not cry myself to sleep tonight. And I may never know why you did what you did. The walls in my room are the only ones I've talked to. Watched it as they turned blue. Told you some personal shit. You were the first to understand, you would understand, you would understand what it's like to feel like dying. I know I should let go, but I can't let go. No, I can't let go. I know it's all my fault. Walking away from where I wanted to stay, I swallowed it all, what I wanted to say, and choked on the words I could have told you. Given a chance, I've got none. I've got none. I've got nothing to say anymore. Let us go back, let us go back, let us go back, let us go. But you've been looking to replace me all along. Told me the same things you tell her now. Oh, nothing worse than to mean nothing to the one that means the most to you.